You're making a custom Minecraft map and you need villagers. But not any ordinary villager. Villagers with custom trades. And that's why in today's video we are going to go through how you can make these guys with custom trades. It might seem like there is quite a bit going on here, but once you know what you're doing, it isn't too hard at all. And so today we're going to go through every little bit that you guys want to need to know. If you guys don't know, the first thing that we're going to need to do is give yourself a command block. And so to do that command, all you need to do is give player command block. You can also put in things such as A, which will give every player a command block. And you have received yourself a command block. To summon the villager, we're just going to need to do the simple command of summon Minecraft villager. Now, the reason I'm putting this one block up in the air is because we want the villager to spawn above the command block and not inside of it. So if I get this button here, you'll see that he spawns on top. But that is just one ordinary villager. We want a good villager that will have our own custom trades. First off, we're going to need a title. You can also see it up here. It is red, it is bold, and it has its own name. To do that, we are going to need to make a custom name. So to start off with, we're going to put 2 braces, and inside of this, we're going to put custom name. Because we're going to be creating a custom name, this is basically telling us, or telling the command block that we're going to have a villager with a custom name. After that, we're going to put a colon. After that, we're going to put 2 apostrophes and 2 more braces inside. After that, we're going to put 2 quotation marks and go inside of it once again. Here, we're going to put text. This is basically telling that the custom name is going to be a custom text value. After that, we're going to put another column, and then we're going to put 2 more quotation marks. After that, you can put in name, whatever name you want, and that is it. That is your name done. So if I get out of this, you'll see his name has appeared, and you can always go back and change this to whatever you want. So I can put Bro Moment. Let's just call this guy Bro Moment for now. Let's get rid of you. And you can tell he's got the name Bro Moment. But we want to change the color to something else. Could be red, it could be gold, it could be green. To do that, we're going to put a comma, 2 more quotation marks, and we're going to go put in color, because this is going to change the color for the future. Then come outside of the quotation marks and put in another colon. And once again, 2 more quotation marks. Once you go inside of these 2 quotation marks, you're going to put whatever color you want. There is only a certain list of colors that you can choose from. So I'm going to put the list of colors that you can choose from on the screen. But for now, we're going to put gold in, because it's the only color I've got on top of my head right now. And then once we spawn him in, his name is now going to be the color gold. But we still want to make it bold. So to do that, we are going to once again come out, comma, 2 quotation marks, and we're going to put in the word bold. After that, we are going to put another colon, and we'll put the word true, which basically changes the name. So now it's going to be bold. If I set myself to game mode survival, you'll notice that I am unable to kill this guy. You can tell that I'm trying my best to hit him and nothing's happening. You can also tell that there are no sounds coming from him because we have made him silent. To do that, we are going to want to come to the front here, and we are going to add something called silent, which is basically a command which will make the villager silent, says it itself. What we're going to do is put 1B next to it and then a comma. This separates the custom names from the silent. 1 basically sets it so he is silent. If I put 0 here, then he obviously won't be silent. But because I put 1 there, he will be silent. And so you can tell no noise is coming from him, and he's making no noise when I hit him. Now, after this silent, I'm going to do something else called Invulnerable. As you saw earlier, it makes it so I am unable to hit the villager or whatever entity you're going to put here in survival mode. All you need to do is put the word Invulnerable, colon once again, and we're going to put the same thing of 1B, comma. And once again, that splits everything up with the comma. And now the villager, if I am to go into survival, I am going to be unable to hit him. But Sam, he is still wandering around. I want to keep him still and keep him on the spot. Well, we are going to do that. So what we're going to want to do is come into one of these braces, and we're going to want to put a comma. And then we're going to put the word attributes. After that, we're going to want to put 2 brackets. And inside of those brackets, 2 more braces. We're going to want to put name in here with a colon. After that, you're going to want to put something called generic. You're going to put a dot or full stop, whatever you want to call it. And then whatever you want this villager to have. In this case, movement speed, which we're going to put movement underscore speed. And we're going to set it to a base of 0. So now when we summon the villager, he can be pushed around, but he is no longer moving. Now time for the trades. So once again, I want to go inside this last brace and we're going to put a comma. Then we're going to put villager data. Because villager data involves in things such as trades, profession, type, level, all of that type of stuff, which we're going to be showing you right now. So next we're going to want to put 2 braces and we're going to put level. I don't think this is fully necessary, but this shows at what level this villager is at for his trading. So in this case, we're going to put level 99, which basically turns him into, master or whatever you call the villager. Then we're going to put profession. At the moment, he's just a normal villager. He doesn't have any trades. He doesn't have a job. That's kind of mean. So we're going to make him so he becomes... We're going to make him so he has something to do. So we're going to put 2 more quotation marks. We're going to put Minecraft. Hope you guys know how to spell that. And then we're going to put something along the lines of whatever profession you want this villager to have, such as librarian, weaponsmith, toolsmith, leather worker, whatever you want. In this case, I am just going to put a weaponsmith because that's what my other villager is. And there you go. That will change the villager. So now he has a profession. Next, we want to put a comma and we're going to put type. Then we're going to put a colon and once again, 2 more quotation marks, Minecraft Plains. So now we've got ourselves a villager who is from the Plains biome and is a weaponsmith. Now that we've got our villager set and we've got everything done, we're going to want to create some custom trades now. I know you've all been waiting for this. So to start off, we're going to put another comma in between the 2 braces at the end and we're going to put offers. So these are the types of offers the villager is going to give. So we're going to put colon and then we're going to put 2 more braces and we're going to put recipes, colon, 2 more brackets. Inside of that, we're going to put 2 more braces, and then we're going to put maxUses. You don't technically need to put in maxUses, so you can skip this step if you want, but I like to do it and put, depends on how many trades you want. So if you want people just to have 1 trade with the villager, you can just put 1. If you want to have as infinite trades, you can just put the biggest number possible. At the moment, I'm just going to put 100 just so it doesn't take up so much room. We're going to put comma, buy, and then we're going to put a colon. After that, we're going to put 2 more brackets, or braces, sorry, and then we're going to put ID. This is basically going to be the ID of, or the type of thing that we're going to use or offer the villager for the item. So we're going to put colon, and then we're going to put 2 quotation marks once again. Then we're going to put in Minecraft, and then we're going to put in colon. And here is where you want to put whatever item you want. You can put in dirt, if I can spell correctly. You can put in diamond. You can put in, I don't know, iron sword. If the item is 2 words, you're going to have to put an underscore in between. Because if it's like that, or if it's spaced out, it won't work. It needs to be like that. I'm going to keep this to an iron ingot. This item here is going to be this item right here. The first item that you're going to offer the villager. You can always keep it like that. You can skip this next step, which is basically adding in another item to the villager. But I'm going to show you how to do it. Before we do that, we need to put a comma. Then we need to put count. Now, you can leave count out because this will show that the villager will sell 1 iron ingot. But if you want multiple, we can put count. And then you put the number you want. So example, if I want 3 iron ingots, I'll put 3B. If I want 10 items, I'll put 10B. If I want 1, you can leave this out, even if you just put 1 like that. I'll put 3 there as an example. After that, if you want to add a second item in, if you don't want to add a second item in, you can skip this part. We will add comma, and we're going to add buyB. This is basically like the first one was buy, and then all of that. This is buyB, so this is item B. We're going to put colon, and once again, we're going to put 2 more braces, and we're going to put ID, basically replicate what we've just seen over there, colon, Minecraft, colon, and then whatever item you want. Actually, I did forget something. We need to put in quotation marks. Don't forget to add that in, guys. So what should we do this time? Let's keep a bone. I had a bone earlier in the other one, so may as well keep it. And then we're going to put comma, count, and let's just do 1. There you go. You've got yourself 2 items, or 1 depending on what you did, of what you're going to give your villager. The second item is always going to be this item here. In this case, I put bone. Now we're going to add in the final item the villager's going to give you once you give him the items. So we're going to put in comma, cell. This is going to be after the brace that you put in after the count. Going to put in comma, cell, and then colon. And once again, we're going to put in 2 more braces. And this time, we're going to do the exact same thing of ID, 2 quotation marks, Minecraft, and then whatever item you want. In this case, I'm going to put a gold nugget, as you saw earlier. Then you need to do your usual count, and we're going to put in 1B, because we're only going to need 1. And there you have it, guys. He now sells a gold nugget. If I grab these items out, you'll see that you can't really get anything, but as soon as you put in the stuff needed, you could get yourselves a gold nugget. Now, you want to change the name of this gold nugget, or whatever item you want to change your name in here. Whatever ID or Minecraft item that you want to change the name of. In this case, I'll change the gold nugget's name. We're going to have to put a comma after the count and add in something called tag. We're going to put a colon, and then we're going to put 2 braces. And in here, we're going to put display, colon, another 2 braces. And then we're going to put in the name and colon. Here we're going to, as earlier you saw the name of the villager, we're going to put in, you're going to put 2 apostrophes, not quotation marks. And inside of those 2 apostrophes, we're going to put 2 more braces with 2 more quotation marks. Then we're going to put in the middle of those quotation marks text, and then after the quotation marks, colon, 2 more quotation marks, and whatever you want to name it. In this situation, I'm going to name it gold coin, because why not? So now the item that he's selling will be named gold coin, but it still hasn't changed color. To change color, as I said at the start, we're going to put comma, 2 more quotation marks, and then we're going to put in color, colon, 2 more quotation marks, there's a lot of them, and then the color that you want it to be. In this situation, I'm going to put in gold. Oh, you know what? I'll do something different. Red. We're going to make the color red. Then we're going to put a comma, and then in this situation, I'm going to make it bold. I don't know what you guys want to do. I'm going to make it bold, so I'm going to make it. So I'm going to put 2 more quotation marks, bold. And then after, I'm going to put another colon and add true. And in the end, we now have ourselves a villager. You can also make texture packs if you want. In this case, I've got a texture pack right here. Once you load up a texture pack, it will look 10 times better. In this situation, look at that. I will leave this command in the description as well if you guys want to copy it and change things up to make it a little bit easier. If you want to make more of these trades, all you need to do really is copy and paste all of this in. And there you guys have it. You've got yourselves a villager with a custom name and custom trades. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Comment down below if you need any help with this. There's also a website which I'll link down below called mcstacker.net. This is a website which can basically save you heaps of time. All you need to do is find the website, and then it has all these options from what you can do. You can make custom mobs, you can make custom commands, tags, boss bars, whatever you want. If you want any other tutorials, make sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see next. Anyways, hope you guys all enjoyed, and we'll see you all later. Bye.